here I go, the next day, cleaning out my car. It's so hot, but I can't. It's gonna be hot every day, you know? So at this point, I gotta do what I do. Okay, it's not that bad. I mean, when you look where the girls sit, it's pretty bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna declutter first, like get all the junk out that doesn't belong. And then I'll vacuum. Would it be bad of me to start my car up so the air can be blowing while I'm in here? Because it's like actually way hotter in the car than it is outside, which duh. But I just might crank my car up. I'm doing that. I'm cranking it up. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Smells like the Five Guys fries from yesterday. Okay. Okay. Let's see if you guys can like see. Do you see the junk in the back seat? It's bizarre. And then the toys that Cree, oh, and cups. And the toys that Cree has collected from bringing to wait for pickup. Let's start. I'm done. Do you guys see this sweat? I'm dripping. It's like I did a full-blown cycling class at the gym. Dominic decided to copy me and clean his car too. He offered to clean mine, but I was like, it's fine, it's fine. I'm an independent woman. Very sweet of him, but yeah. I found this fan in my trunk from when we went to the 4th of July celebration on base, and woo! It's helping me. The car looks so much better though. Like, so much better. There my glasses look again. I was thinking about this, guys, the other day. Either my glasses are crooked or my ears are crooked. You know? It's probably my ears. I feel like I need to shower all over again, Dominique, so I'm gonna shower.
I'm not showering.
I have to. Like, I'm dripping in sweat.
You're not used to being heat.
I am.
You're not.
Dominique, just the other day, me and Lindsay and Cree went on a walk at the beach. It was so hot. It was literally like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Anywho. Yeah, so I'm gonna go shower up and get dressed and take the kids out for a little fun, family fun day, because it's Saturday. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah, fucking socks.
Random. But yeah, I did it. I think that means it's a round of applause. We need a round of applause for me. So thank you. Thank you. I forgot that me and Dominique should have like a little parent meeting to know exactly what we're doing for the kids' family fun day. So what are we doing?
Why do you want to have it outside?
Because we're both out here. Margaritaville. Right?
Yeah.
And then what should we do? Like treats, lunch? Because it's lunchtime. Lunch? Because we have leftovers for dinner. So, oh my gosh, like guys, look at my sweat. So yeah, your car's burning my forearm. Okay. Yes?
Yes.
What do you want to do for lunch?
Some food.
Okay, that's so in depth. Thank you so much for the details. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, guys, it's too hot. It's too hot to even think straight. What did you find? He finds weird things in his car. Okay, for real, I'm going inside. My deed is done. Look how good the floors look, by the way. Like, I vacuumed them so good. Forgot that I wanted to put this basket in the car to hold all of Cree's toys that she brings along for each children pickup at the end, you know, for picking up me and Harper at school. So I'm just gonna throw it all in there really quickly, and then I for real will be done. My glasses are falling. Then I for sure will be done with the car for real. I feel lightheaded. I have heat exhaustion. No, I'm being dramatic. Anyway, my cheeks are red though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fill it up, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower. All right, we're all freshened up and headed to do what, girls? Family fun day. And there's this grumpy man. Are you a grumpy man? Huh?
No.
Family fun day. Feet down. That's what you want too?
It's all I want.
Are you sure you just don't want one thing?
What? Well, this one's got chips.
It's not
Well,
real.
this- Not the bread, that's good. But I can't.
Do you want anything else? Because now I think Daddy and Sissy still waiting for us in the car.
This one's got. Well, what's this?
Let's see. It is Squishmallows Mystery Squad. So it must be a tiny little squishmallow in there.
Let me see.
Put it back.
I found from here.
Hmm?
Oh, I just want these are so good.
Okay, maybe next time. Because you honestly have enough
Oh, it's
of
so good.
stuffed animals at home. Oh, this one must be pink lemonade.
And regular lemonade.
Because it smells. Smell the strawberry one. Oop.
I already did. But
Okay.
let's smell it again. So good.
Wait,
good,
please.
Good. It doesn't smell like perfume.
Oh, that almost don't smell like anything.
That one
Okay.
smell like anything because it has no
So you want
flavor.
this. How about you just get one thing then?
No, I want the clips too.
You guys are going to share the clips?
How about I get two? I don't want these. Here, Mia.
No, I don't think Mia wants it. Mia's already chosen. She just wants the headband.
Show me that. Go back.
Hmm? Yep, right there. Good job. Okay, you ready to check out?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. We'll always be.
I might take a fish. This is what I want. I'm ready to check out.
I thought we said one thing.
No. Okay, fine. Let's go.